Questions for kids. What color is the sky on a sunny day? Blue, green, yellow. The answer is blue. Which one is a fruit? Apple, car, chair. The answer is apple. What do you wear on your feet? Hat, shoes, gloves. The answer is shoes. Which animal says meow? Dog, cow, cat. The answer is cat. What do you use to eat soup? Spoon, fork, knife. The answer is spoon. Which one is used to write? Pencil, eraser, book. The answer is pencil. What color is a banana? Red, yellow, blue. The answer is yellow. What do you sleep on? Chair, table, bed. The answer is bed. Which one is a vegetable? Carrot, ice cream, toy. The answer is carrot. What do you drink? Milk, shoes, book. The answer is milk. What shape has three sides? Circle, triangle, square. The answer is triangle. Which one do you wear on your head? Shirt, pants, hat. The answer is hat. What do you use to brush your teeth? Comb, toothbrush, soap. The answer is toothbrush. Which one is a color? Blue, table, banana. The answer is blue. Which one is a pet? Dog, lion, tiger. The answer is dog. Which of these can fly? Fish, bird, elephant. The answer is bird. What do you wear when it's cold? T-shirt, shorts, jacket. The answer is jacket. Which one is a toy? Ball, apple, plate. The answer is ball. What is the opposite of big? Small, tall, round. The answer is small. What do you read? Pillow, book, cup. The answer is book. Which one do you see in the sky at night? Sun, star, cloud. The answer is star. How many legs does a cat have? 2, 4, 6. The answer is 4. Which one is sweet? Candy, lemon, salt. The answer is candy. What is used to cut paper? Pen, scissor, ruler. The answer is scissor. Which one do you wear on your hand when it's cold? Gloves, socks, shoes. The answer is gloves.